So on this video, we're going to be talking about a new recall that will be coming out for the 2023 model year Honda CR-V hybrid models only. So if you have a different trim than a hybrid, it is not affected. So essentially what's happening here is due to inadequate cladding residual thickness and manufacturing variations of the battery cell negative terminal within the lithium ion battery module, partially exposed aluminum can form an alloy which can progress and lead to breakage of the terminal or bus bar, rendering the vehicle undrivable. If the breakage occurs while the battery is energized, a spark may occur, increasing the chances of a fire, crash, etc., etc. So the good news here is that it's only 2023 model years and there's only 98 affected cars total. So Honda sold 197,000 CR-V hybrids in 2023. Some of those were probably 2024 model years towards the end of the year, but 197,000 of these cars were sold in 2023 and only 98 of them are affected. So once the recall is live, customers will be notified come November 2024. So that's just about a month of the recording of this video, maybe 6 weeks or so away. Again, 90 vehicles, and what we're gonna have to do is replace the battery pack if it is affected. And again, only 98 vehicles. Honda will send us some special tools to perform the job correctly and safely. So I assume here they're gathering these tools and everything, all the parts they need and everything to get these vehicles serviced. And we are going to have to place a special order on these batteries. So probably be a couple of days turnaround time if you do have one of these vehicles being affected. Only 98 models, which is again a positive, not something you want to obviously hear, but that is a positive that it's only 98 vehicles and not hundreds of thousands of cars or thousands of vehicles affected. So as of now, at least, sometimes these things do get expanded if they find something within a different VIN range or anything of that nature. So that's going to be pretty much it, and I'll catch you on the next one.